gonna tug this back to my house. I'm gonna fire up the motor.
What is he filming?
I'm new here. Once we untie it, we're gonna get pushed hard. Yeah. But yeah, you should untie that guy.
Oh my goodness, it's really taking off.
Is it moving or
It's us, it's us. Man, it's a super windy day.
It's kind of fun just drifting.
Yeah.
It's also kind of nerve-wracking too. I have no control.
That thing's just kind of adrift right now. There's our target. Oh, this wind is a nightmare.
Blowing the other direction. You gotta be kidding me.
Oh my God.
Goose just got here. It's been raining overnight and the water level went up. So we finally might be able to get the dock from my brother's house to my house, which we've been trying to do for about a year now. Step one is try not to fall going down here. Ooh, this thing's getting more and more brittle. Oh wow. Oh yeah, we got smoked. Oh yeah, we got quite the conundrum. Oh yeah, dude, we got that. And one side's floating. Oh dude, we got that. You feel confident?
No.
Don't listen to him. We got this. Because Red Bull gives you wings. Please give us free stuff. We think we have a good game plan. But we're going to walk over to my brother's and assess the situation over there. Ah! Oh my God. So much water just dumped on my head. Hopefully this goes off without a hitch. Stay tuned. All right. This is a moment of truth. Oh, dude, the water's on the other side of the barrel. Oh, yeah. Dude, we can get this thing. Oh my God, there's goose poop everywhere. Well, it's bouncing, it's buoyant. Oh dude, we're getting this thing, man. We think that we're gonna attempt it. We're gonna tug this corner. This part's on the water, and we think we can just sort of peel it off and sort of get it into the current, then barrel down the river uncontrollably with a 32-foot dock. Coots is gonna untie the rope real quick. Classic snake knot on there, real nice and secure. One line free, one to go. Another snake knot.
This one's actually the Macomb County Strangler.
It's about 40 degrees, so dealing with wet rope, not too much fun, but we're men. Men. This is pretty slippery. I hope this is like mildew and not just smeared in goose poop everywhere.
Gross.
How do you think today's gonna go?
Swimmingly.
I hope we don't swim. Yeah. I fake kicked you in the river.
Oh, I know.
He knows my tricks. Final prep. We ready? Oh,
Now
yeah.
when we accelerate, it will fly off.
Oh my God, look at that amazing looking boat. Your body cam on?
Yes.
I'm gonna turn this camera on to capture the fun. Let's do the clap test. There we go. That's a sink point.
Oh my God, it's going.
You okay?
Right back, let go.
Oh, Jesus. Well, this is gonna be interesting.
I just untied the back cleat and the current just ripped us down. So this is gonna be really interesting.
We're fine.
No, we're not.
I'm trying to pick you up right now.
That log is
Preventing us? Jump!
Oh, no, that's probably worse.
Hop on. Oh my God, it's a tree.
Right.
All right, hang on.
Oh my God.
Haven't done this in a while. We're here. And you said we shouldn't be doing this.
Oh, I didn't show you my gift from my brother.
Is this gonna be good or silly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
Shoots all that fiber that clog up a blade.
Oh my God, that's awesome. So that's what it's like to have a good brother.
Ooh la la, steel leather. Ugh.
Coots grabbed a big old pipe to use as a lever with his new fancy soccer goalie gloves. Let's just try and give this a go. You want to kick my nose over? Anything moving? No. You should be standing on like the other side, the water side. Nope.
Want to try tying off to the front?
We gotta hook this thing up to the back of that.
Oh, it's so slippery. Alright, ready?
Yeah. 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 Something's going on. We got it. We got it. We got it. I don't know what to do now.
Should I just meet you over there?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. I want to just walk over there. Grab the tripod camera too.
Clap.
Not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to control this thing because I don't want to bash it into the shore. I'm just letting the current drift us back. Yeah, this is kind of sketchy, but doing pretty good.
Look at this.
Oh, there's Coots.
Look at this. Totally normal sight for people in this neighborhood to see stuff like this. Filming me film. Mark film.
I don't know what to do, Coots.
We could probably tie you off onto the barge like normal and then work from there, think from there at least.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Come in, knot. Oh, slippery.
Snake knot, snake knot. Faster.
Lock it. You're good.
So we are tied up, and now we got to get this thing up here somehow. All right. What do you think we should do? Like, we got to get that up so we can move this back. This is a logistical challenge.
Can we pull this and grab one of the...
Yeah. Look at this man. You think you could beat Coots in a tug of war? Let us know in the comments below. Here, I'll hop over here. You just let it go. Oh my God, that's slippery. Give it a couple loop-de-loos. That's not nearly enough. I know nothing of knots. I not know knot. That seems solid. You want to take this line and then walk it over onto shore.
You're staying on there?
I don't want to, but
You can't go this way?
you're gonna lift that thing up. Can you pull me a little closer? There we go. So now let's walk this rope up to shore just so we have another anchor point. Oh, smart idea to cut down my tree and not pay them to chop it up because I'm too cheap. Come on, rope. There we go.
Secure.
Give this a little snake knot. Nice and secure. There's no way this thing's coming out. I know nothing of knots. I not know knot. There's my wife. Probably making fun of us.
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Oh boy. Oh, this is really awesome now. Do I go under or over?
Yeah, you got a low crawl.
Yeah. There we go. Oh my God.
Oh, that was a crack.
I gotta lose some LBs.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
The goal is to have this behind that thing. We kind of thought this through, but not really.
Blah, blah, blah.
Can you pull this? Okay, that goes easy.
Yeah, let me hop on here. There we go. Can you go up to the top thingy and then do a loop around with the excess rope? All right. So I think the game plan should be like to pull it and then slowly keep pulling it.
There's not much more room with the boat right there, but yeah.
I'm stuck. Is this my tree? Let's cut this thing real quick.
Yeah. Some of them do.
On that out the hard way. All right, we'll see. That's good. Oh, this is a double horse snake knot. All right, so we got the rear line tied off to there, got the front line tied off. So in theory, we should be able to pull this whole thing forward. So I almost think that we take the boat and the barge out to sea.
Oi, matey. Blah, blah, blah.
Well, this is step one.
Yeah, getting this thing out of here. Oh, Jesus. What is it? Ah, okay, that's good. Make sure you film me. Ah, there's pickers.
I'm more likely to fall over in just like a flat surface for no reason, but this is not Mark's strong suit.
No. Not at all. There we go. I'll start driving the boat forward so you'll have slack, and then I'll try and get to the left.
Man, that was a good knot. I bet whoever tied that was really handsome. It was me.
Good?
Hey!
Can you kind of push us?
All right. Here is where it becomes clear that I wasn't paying attention when Mark told me the plan. This is my favorite part, my favorite phase of every plan. Oh, jeez. Oh, slippery.
I'm just gonna kind of like drift back now. Yeah, get ready to tie that thing off to the barge.
How am I doing this?
I wasn't paying attention when Mark told me the plan.
Get that white line, tie it to the dock.
Not.
I'm gonna try and drive forward, pull that whole thing with you, get you to where the ramp is, so that way you can hop off and keep wrapping the white thing around the tree. That seemed like a good plan?
Nah, let's do it. Oh my God, look at that knot he tied.
I know nothing of
Just
knots.
holding together like everything we own. That knot is official.
I not know knot. All right, can you hop to shore?
I should have retied that knot that I was just making fun of. Everything is covered in moss and lubed up with rain.
Dude, just start wrapping the other end coils around right now. Not like that, not like that. It's not gonna be tight, you know? I really hope the boat doesn't fly away. It's tied off, right? I want to get this thing back into place, so we got like a little extra something or other. I kind of think we should get the boat and this thing closer now. Want to hop on here and then untie it?
Untie the barge.
Yeah, and then tie it to the back of there. We got to untie the back of the boat.
Untie the back of the boat.
Yeah,
I wasn't paying attention when Mark told me the plan.
yeah, okay, so I'm totally free.
Yeah. Oh my God, sometimes I cannot remember. There we go.
What's up? What time is it?
12:30.
12:30, oh God. I'm trying to leave here at 2.
Are you going downtown? You got roped into that?
Mount Clemens, right?
No.
Detroit?
Yeah. They think this is funny.
Look on camera. They've been standing here like a creeper watching you guys.
Yeah, well, there's a camera right there. There's a camera on Keith's chest.
God, stop.
Multicam. Just for you. Stop wasting our time. We got stuff to do. Let's see if I can drive. Manage the gangplank, because that thing's gonna start whipping around, you know?
Can you go forward a bit? That branch ain't gonna let us go any further.
This thing's causing us issues right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a chainsaw. Think I got it? I didn't even use my chainsaw gloves.
I had them all set out for you.
We finally got the dock over here.
We did it!
After years of trying. The geese are in awe. Now they're like, where are we gonna poop? In next week's episode, they try and poop on here and we get after them. If you click on this video right here, you got a point, there you go. He knows the drill. Click on the video and thanks for watching, because this video is even better than this one, so you're not gonna wanna miss it. Oh my God. That's gold.